Hey, what's up, family? Prophet Ramon here. Just want to take a few moments to share something with you that I was talking about on my show today, and it was about the way of the wealthy. How do wealthy people produce and preserve their wealth? Now, before you say, well, Ramon, are you wealthy to be telling me about the ways of the wealthy? No, I'm not wealthy yet. Just make sure you add the word yet to I'm not wealthy, because at some point I will be. And one of the reasons why I will be is because I have learned the ways of the wealthy, and I'm implementing and executing the principles and practices in my personal, my professional, and my financial life. And so there are 4 things that the wealthy people do to produce their wealth and to preserve their wealth. Number 1, they know how to make money. That's a whole principle in and of itself. You got to learn how to make money, meaning that you got to learn how to convert things into cash. Making money is essential to building wealth, because when you make money, you get this thing called income. And the more income you get, the more you're able to create wealth building opportunities, which why most financial experts would tell you that your income is by far your number 1 wealth building tool. So number 1, the wealthy know how to make money. Number 2, the wealthy know how to minimize taxes. Not knowing about taxes and not understanding how to implement tax strategies to minimize your taxes when you make more money is one of the reasons why people never necessarily make money, but they never keep the money they make so that they can create wealth. Number 3, wealthy people not only know how to make money, not only know how to minimize their taxes, but they also know how to manage their spending. This is like discipline 101. In order for you to manage your spending, you got to be willing to delay gratification. So there are things you can do today you choose not to do today because you're delaying gratification, because you want to manage your expenses. Don't mean you eliminate all your expenses, but you're going to manage it. You're going to live beneath your means. And number 4, just in case you're getting bored, number 4, they know how to maximize their investment. So think about it. You learn how to make money. You learn how to minimize your taxes. You learn how to manage your expenses. Guess what that means? You're going to end up with a whole lot of cash flow that you can maximize your investments, which will at some point get you further quicker. Those are the 4 things that I have learned in my study and research. And I've read hundreds of books on wealthy people, billionaires, sovereign wealth funds, REITs and trusts, and all of these multi-billion, trillion-dollar entities. And those are the 4 things that I've realized that the wealthy people do. So if you want to learn the wealthy way, I'm teaching strategies on it on a daily basis. You can actually click the link and get access to tons of content for just $29.